Alright, have you ever wondered what the inside of a gun looks like? Well, now I'm going to show you how to take apart a 12 gauge shotgun, clean it, and put it back together. First off, you want to make sure that there's no shells in the chamber or in the tube magazine. You're going to do this by physically looking and feeling for it. So now that you've made sure that everything, there's no shells in it or nothing, this is one of the more simple guns to take apart. Push in this button here, you turn, your force stop comes off, which includes your trigger and your tube magazine. Get the barrel off, you just turn. And that's the gun. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the trigger assembly, force stock, and the magazine tube. First, what you're going to want to do is take some cleaning patches, and you want to put a little bit of cleaning solution on it. Not too much, because you're going to want to, if you get too much, you're going to wipe it off later. And then put it back on. Now I just basically go over everything with the cleaning solution. Make sure it all gets wiped down. All the plastic marks and everything. That gets all the buildup from the shells and from the black powder out of all the nooks and crannies. Just want to go over everything pretty thoroughly with it. This will help the gun function better and smoother. Alright, after you've done that, you can go ahead and set your trigger assembly off to the side. And now we're going to go into cleaning the action. You're going to do basically the same thing. You're going to take the same cloth that you used to clean the other one and just kind of wipe everything down. Make sure it all gets cleaned and gets a little bit of that solution on it. That way it helps break down all the buildup. And you want to pull the action back to get where the shell is moved through clean, so it can go into the barrel of the gun a lot smoother. Now that's clean. It's 4 minutes already. Good gods. Okay, so now you got that done, we're going to take another patch. I'm going to take my lubricating oil. I'm just going to kind of put a little bit on there. This is going to help keep everything from rusting and just natural corrosion, and make everything, well, lubricates everything. Just want to run that over everything again. Run over the action. Open the action. Run it over everything inside of it. Alright, Now we're going to put the gun back together. First you're going to take the barrel, line it up with the dots, and twist. You take the forestock, you line the little notch up, slide it down, maybe, twist. Now the gun should be back together and functioning properly. Now to clean the barrel, I like to use the snake because it works a lot better and it's easier. Hold the action open, drop down the snake. Once you get through there, just pull on the other end, and it comes through. It's going to come through kind of tight because it gets everything out that way. I run it through probably 2-3 times if I've only shot it.
6 minutes.
We'll fast forward it. I run it through just a couple, 2-3 times, makes it a lot easier. And that way you get a lot of the stuff out. That's it. Should be a clean gun and ready to shoot again. Thank you.